Do you think that the likelihood of U.S. yields going lower is greater than rising yet again?
You know, I think between now and the end of June, when we anticipate some movement one way or another on trade, I think the pressure is for yields to go lower. They may bounce higher occasionally, like they started to yesterday night and this morning when there was a little tiny bit of positive about trade coming out. Trump made a statement that he would meet Xi at the G20 meeting, and that was enough to send yields a different direction. But I think we're going to be bouncing around here for a while. There's a limit to how low they can go because you have the Fed sitting at 250 on the Fed funds rate, so the curve is S-shaped at this point.
What's the limit?
I think the limit, probably the limit on the well, the 2 years at about 214. I think the limit on the 10-year, we probably are in the just a little bit under 230, maybe 225. It's hard for the 10-year to rally that much further because you've got the rest of the curve kind of holding there. We were a little worried yesterday when we saw yields falling as much as they did that mortgage-backed security prepayments would cause sort of this technical gap down in yields even further. It seems like we've stabilized now this morning, so we'll see. You know, a lot of the bad news on the trade front is already out. A lot of the bluster is already out, but I think it's going to be a bumpy road from here until what, again, like Brexit, is a political process that works its way out over the next few weeks.